Hello, my friends. Welcome to today's spelling lesson, day 3. This is our Map It, Tap It, and Graph It. So if you do not already have your whiteboard with your sound boxes and your marker, go pause the video, grab those, and come back. Welcome back. All right, our objective all week has been I can read and write R-controlled words with the O-R, O-A-R, O-R-E, O-R, and A-R. All right, so let's read some words together. Now, one of the things that we have learned when we are trying to decode a word, which means we're trying to break it apart and figure out what it is, the very first thing that we are always going to look at is not the first letter. We're going to look for the vowels. So I'm looking at this word. How many vowels are there? 1. Now, I'm going to say, is it open or closed? It is closed because there's a consonant right after it. So I'm going to look now, I'm going to say, is that consonant, is there an R right next to, right after the vowel? Yes. So I know it is R controlled. So I can go, now maybe I can't remember what sound it makes. Maybe I'm like, oh, is it the R sound like in star? W-R-N, warn. Oh, okay, that's not right. And it has an O. So I'm going to try that one. Worn, worn. I know that word. It's worn. I can look at this one. How many vowels do I have? 2. Are they together or apart? They are apart. Is there an R? Is one of them R controlled? Yes. Let's see, we have an O-R. And then I see the other one, it's that ing, which I've learned ing already. So now I can go ing, forming. All right. How many vowels do we see? 3. Are they together or apart? Both. They're together and apart. So now I'm going to look at my ones that are together. The O-A. Is there an R after that? Yes, there is an R. So I know it is R controlled. Is the E at the end of a word? Yes. We know when an E is at the end of the word, it is silent. We don't hear it. So now I can go or horse. But this is not the kind of horse you ride on, giddy up, giddy up, giddy up. This is a hoarse voice, which means you have a sore throat and you can't talk very well. So they are, both are controlled, but they are, then they sound the same, but they are spelled different. Okay. Now again, I look at this. Okay, how many vowels do I have? 2. Are they together or apart? Yes, they are apart. Is there an R after one of them? Yes, so I know it is R controlled. The second vowel, is it open or closed? It's closed because there's a consonant right after it. So I know it's going to make its short sound. So I'm going to go or-b-id, forbid. Remember, when it's a closed syllable, it is, and the vowel so when it's a closed syllable, it means that there is a consonant right after the vowel, so the vowel makes the short sound. Forbid, forbid. Okay, now look at this again. How many vowels do you see? 2. Are they together or apart? They are apart. Is there an R after one of them? Yes. So we know that that first one is an R controlled. It's the AR, so we know it's going to say R. Then I see that I have an ES and I have a CH, so I know I have 2 consonants that make a digraph. So I'm going to go arches, arches, arches. Okay, how many vowels do we have? 2. Are they together or apart? They're together. Is there an R after one of them? Yes, there is. So I know it's going to make that OR sound, roar. What's this word? Torch. Good. Now you're using your skills that I've taught you. What's this one? Shore. Good. How about this one? Export. Export. 4. What's this one? Good. Horse. Now this is the kind you ride. You see how we still have R controlled with the OR. The other one is the OAR. So here we have a horse. Garlic. We have that R, A-R, garlic. Sparking and harden. Okay, we are going to now tap it, map it, graph it. So remember our procedure. I will throw it out to you like I'm throwing a ball. I'll throw it to you. When I throw it, you catch it and say it back. And when you say it back, I'm catching it. So I'm going to throw it out twice. You're going to catch it twice, saying it. Then you're going to throw it back to me. So our first word is port. Port. What's our word? Port. Port. You see how I'm catching it as you're throwing it to me? All right, let's map it. Tap it, sorry. Or t. Port. How many sounds did you hear? 3. All right, let's map it. Or t. Port. Let's graph it. What makes the p sound? Good. The letter P. What makes the or sound? And this one, it's the O-R. Or t. And then the T. Good job. What's our word? Blend it together. Port. Good. All right, your next one. More. More. Throw it back. More. Good. Let's tap it. Or. More. How many sounds did you hear? I only heard 2. Or. Okay, let's graph it. Oh, I forgot. This is the slide that I messed up on. But it's or. And that E should actually be over here with the O-R-E. It's an O-R-E, R controlled. So I messed up on that one. So let's blend it together though. More. Good job. All right. Or. Or. What's our word? Good. All right. Let's tap it. Or. What? There's only one sound? That is crazy town. All right. We have or. What is a word that's only one sound? That's our O-A-R. Now, you've heard that before, or, as in, do you want spaghetti or chicken to make a choice? That is O-R. This, O-A-R, are the oars that you row a boat with. All right, and what's our word? Or. Good. Okay, last one. Park. Park. Throw it back. Park. Park. Good. Let's tap it. Ark. How many sounds did you hear? 3. Let's map it together. Ark. And let's graph it. Pause the video, graph it, come back and see if you're right. Did you have a P, A-R-R, K, and the K? Great job. What's our word? Park. Awesome. All right. Let's just have our spelling words already up here. And so today you are going to map, tap, map, and graph all of your spelling words and turn those in. If you have any problems with it, let me know. I'd love to help you. Otherwise, keep practicing your R-controlled vowels, and we will see you next time. Bye, everyone.